BarnBridge is still a relatively small blockchain project that aims to disrupt the financial industry by offering stable cryptocurrency investments. Now, the developers behind the platform created it after realizing that bonds, traditional bonds worth trillions of dollars, were yielding negative returns. BarnBridge's native token bond has rallied more than 300% to reach $9.43 on 1st of August, but it is still trading 95% down from its recent all-time high. So in this video, I want to take a look at what makes BarnBridge unique and what is the reason for the recent sharp increase in price. And in the end, we're also going to look at some future price predictions. Now, just in case you want to stay on top of the crypto world, then please do me a favor, hit like, smash and subscribe so that you can be notified every time we upload new videos. My name is Nico Arachi and I'm the host of Crypto Never Sleeps. BarnBridge is a tokenized risk protocol that allows users to take positions on factors like interest rate fluctuations and asset price volatility. Now, the platform allows users to easily hedge their positions against the various risks associated with interacting with decentralized finance and to offset some of their potential consequences. BarnBridge's smart yield products pools the yield from the lending protocol, such as Aave, and splits it into tranches with different risk profiles. Smart exposure allows users to passively maintain a specific ratio within an ERC20 token pair, which can potentially outperform any buy and hold strategy depending on the market condition. BarnBridge, they embraced the decentralized part of DeFi by launching a decentralized autonomous organization, also known as DAO. So there's no incorporated entity in any jurisdiction that actually controls BarnBridge's development. Instead, it is an Ethereum-based DAO, and it is the only avenue for decision-making related to the protocol's treasury and resources. So the bond governance token is the mechanism by which decisions are made. Furthermore, the BarnBridge DAO is the receiver of all fee revenues earned by protocol applications. So for example, the smart yield, the pool, charges 0.5% on deposits into its junior tranche or 5% of yields, kind of like a performance fee, earned by senior tranche bonds. And these fees, they are charged for the respective asset being deposited, and the BarnBridge community is able to allocate these resources through on-chain governance mechanisms. And as BarnBridge expands beyond Ethereum in the future, fees will continue to be returned to the Ethereum-based DAO. The live bond price today is trading around $9.40, and the current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 338, with a market cap of close to 67 million, trading, as I said before, 95% below its all-time high, which was recorded on October 27th, 2020. This means that should the bond price actually reach its recent all-time high, it could generate more than 1,800% return on investment. Remember, this is not financial advice. So, BarnBridge's cross-chain risk management protocol offers a suite of composable DeFi products for investors in order to hedge against interest rate fluctuations and price volatility. Now, for example, if we look at the smart yield, which is a product that enables investors to secure fixed rate yields from the debt pools of other projects such as Aave, Compound, Cream, or Yearn Finance. And then there's another pool, you could call it, which is called Smart Exposure, which offers investors tools to rebalance portfolios. The last update, which caused the price to skyrocket by more than 330% this month, is the Smart Alpha pool. And Smart Alpha allows investors to hedge against price fluctuations and provides them leverage for bullish thesis. Now, on the surface, the latest bond price pump should reflect a booming interest in risk trenching protocols. Primarily when we look at so many other DeFi projects in this sector that have failed. We shouldn't forget that the tokens gains, they do appear largely speculative, especially if you look at the concentration of volume. So having said that, it could be that there are some people playing with the price, because we have seen, based on the chart in the past, that we are seeing some days where the price is really going insane and then losing a few days later. But nevertheless, I actually do think that the protocol has a lot of future potential. And now let's take a look at some future price predictions and see what their future sentiment is like. And the first price prediction comes from digitalcoin.com, and they believe we're going to see a high in 2023, $14.83, and $20.65 in 2025. Second one comes from tradingbeasts.com, and they predict the price will hit $16.75 in 2023 and $26 in 2025. Before we end, I always like to give my 2 cents on the dollar. Well, it is without a doubt that the decentralized financial ecosystem has a lot of potential, and that is also due to the new innovative solutions and platforms that are being created daily. However, the challenge that we are all facing, and the reason why we haven't seen its peak yet, is there's been some scams on the left and some hacks on the right, and that has obviously not been able to gain a lot of trust from investors. Having said that, I don't think that that's the only reason. Blockchain mass adoption will come once the Web 3.0 is fully operational, and when the global central bank digital currencies has been launched. So with this in mind, I believe that projects such as BarnBridge, they also see the same future. And they have then been addressing such challenges and hoping that once we're going to see the transition from traditional finance migrating onto the blockchain, a protocol like BarnBridge's will undoubtedly gain a lot of attention and traction. Simply because a lot of institutional clients will come, and also many investors, family offices that may not have the necessary know-how in order to manage their own portfolio. But it's always good to expose capital to a well-managed portfolio. Now, in case this video gave you any kind of value, do me a favor, hit like, smash, subscribe, and all them goodies. And yeah, stay strong. And don't forget, Kitty, she loves you.